Money, money, money. Bitcoin costs $44,000. Okay, why you wanna trade something that costs $44,000 if you can trade GamerCoin? It costs 2 cents and a half. Pay attention to this. I shared this trade in the private list right here on January 4. We bought this coin for 1 cent, and you put a sell order up here at 3 cents. We're gonna make over 180%. I'm gonna make $18,000. Okay, remember, I shared this trade in the private list on January 4. You wanna see something cool? Let's go. GamerCoin. Position the rank 1050. Volume today $21 million. You need a piece of this cake, my friend. Let's go down. This is what happened. On January 1st, the volume of this coin was $332,000. January 2nd, the volume pumped to 1.3 million. Right there. The volume don't lie. So, you know the rest? Buyers control the market. Okay? Take a look at the coins I shared in the private list on the last 4 days. We trade GamerCoin, DFI.money UniLayer CryptoTycoon SoonVerse ritestream. DFI.money. Let's go. DFI.money. Let's go up. Position the rank 546. Volume today $42 million, my friend. Okay, let's go down. Right there. January 2nd, the volume of this coin was 7.1 million. Volume pumped to $18 million, my friend. Okay, $18 million. Pay attention to this. I shared this trade in the private list right here. Yesterday, we bought this coin for $894, and you put a sell order up here at 1500. I made 65%. I'm gonna make 6,500. Pay attention, people start shorting here. Guys, I share my trades in the private list to increase the buyer power. Trade CryptoTycoon@gmail.com. Let's trade with us because together we are strong. More people buying the same coin at the same time. Price uptrend faster. Pay attention to this coin right here. UniLayer. Right here. Position the rank 1941. We are tracking 3,000 coins, my friend. 3,000 coins. Pay attention to this coin right here. SoonVerse. Position the rank on SoonVerse 2697. Guys, you wanna make money? Trade CryptoTycoon@gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is to copy my trades. Also, we can alert you when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos. And also, we can trade for you. You're gonna make 25% per week. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Give me a like this video and share. Trade CryptoTycoon@gmail.com.